Okay, now the Life Path Workbook, your own personal workbook to go through the entire course. Yes, I've included everything you need in one book. So this will become like your permanent record. This is like I said about your journal. I highly recommend that you download the PDF version, get it printed, but get it printed in a bound print way, so that it becomes your permanent record, because you're going to be able to record all of your assessments, most of the assignments in this book. And then when you step out on purpose, it becomes your blueprint. You know, it's like when you're going to plan a business, you write your business plan, that becomes your blueprint. So when you stray off the path, which sometimes we do, you'll be able to come back to the blueprint. Like, oh, what was I supposed to be doing? Yes, I wrote it down. Okay, so that's the importance of this workbook. Okay, the beginning part, the first part, I told you have assignments just off. You have assignments, okay, first day assignments. This is a real course. Your starting point, understanding where you are at this moment. Right now, why am I even in this course? That is the most important thing, and that's the first thing that we're going to address. So you will see a series of assignments that are to be completed as soon as possible. If you're in the app, you will get a little nudge if you haven't completed it. But the importance of doing these first and getting them done now is because these become the blueprint, part of the blueprint, the foundation. This is where we are. This is our starting point. Now we know, okay, now we can start charting our course. But you got to know where you are. Okay, and during this process, you need to be very honest with yourself. Okay, especially when you do the wellness wheel. Wellness wheel is not something that is shared with the collective, or if you choose, you can share it with your coach, with me. But it's not required, because this is your personal reflection. This is really what it is. And you have to be able to see it for what it is. Okay. And the other assessments, I do tell you which ones I want you to share with me. Now, one that is very important is your core values. Yes, core values. Now, this one you will share with me. You will see an assignment for core values separate in itself in the app and in an online class. And I do want you to send me those, because then once you're finished with your core values, you need to schedule your core values evaluation with me, one-on-one. And we're going to sit down and we're going to unpack those values. And we're going to also go over your Enneagram personality test. Yeah, because you got to know who you are. That's the mind part. When, like I said, we're doing a holistic journey. So understanding who we are mentally, emotionally, that's part of the mind. Okay, that's your personality test. And we learn how we deal with people, how we deal with ourselves. Okay. Then you have the wellness wheel. The wellness wheel is like, it gives you a picture of where am I right now? Am I balanced? Am I out of balance? And then your purpose-driven life health assessment is the spiritual assessment. Where am I giving? Where am I in service? How am I spiritually? Okay. And then core values covers your emotional. It really does. Core values covers emotional, some behavioral, because values are important. What we believe, what we stand on, values become our foundation. Okay. So, and as usual, you will have journal prompts. So you will have some journal prompts in your My Starting Point. Okay. But this is the first step. This is the first step to starting on purpose.